In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Wrike. Custom fields are a powerful way to tailor Wrike to your team's specific needs, especially when you're tracking things like costs, margins, or budgets. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access your custom field settings, adjust key financial fields, and configure currency and display options so the data in your workspace is clear and consistent. Start by opening your Wrike workspace and navigating to your personal or project area where you usually manage tasks in a table or list view. From there, look toward the top of the screen for the highlighted control that opens your workspace or account settings. Go ahead and click that highlight to bring up more configuration options. Next, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage how Wrike behaves for your account. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Custom Fields and click it. This is where all your existing custom fields live and where you can adjust how they behave. In this example, we'll work with a few financial fields that already exist, starting with Actual Cost. Click on the Actual Cost field so you can see its properties. Then, do the same for Actual Margin, opening that field as well. These fields help you understand what a project is really costing you and what profit you're making. Within these field settings, locate the option called Auto Set. Click Auto Set so Wrike can automatically populate or calculate values based on your project data. This is especially helpful if you want to reduce manual entry and keep numbers consistent. Now move to the Billing section by clicking Billing. Then click Budget. Here you'll be connecting your budget-related custom fields to the right currency and symbols so they're easy to read. Find the currency option and click it. You may see it more than once depending on where you are in the settings, so click Currency again if needed to open the full list of available currencies and formats. You'll see options for how the symbol is displayed and which currency is used. Click the highlighted drop-down next to Currency to open the symbol configuration. Choose Symbol, then select the Euro option if you want amounts displayed in euros. After confirming that, use the highlight again to switch and select the US dollar if that's your standard. Click Symbol once more to finalize how the currency will appear next to your numbers. Next, adjust the value format by clicking the highlighted options. Then choose the sample value, such as $5,000, so you can see exactly how your numbers will look in tables and reports. Once everything is set the way you want, scroll down and click Save. That's it. Your custom fields, including Actual Cost, Actual Margin, Billing Details, and Currency Display, are now configured and ready to use in Wrike.